Well, it's not just the other window. It's this window too. I know, Precious. You see the squirrel on the bird feeder? Be calm or you're going to scare him off. Stop rubbing on the camera. Stop rubbing on the camera. Let me get a picture of the squirrel. This is my front window. The other window y'all saw was my side yard. This is my front yard. And Precious is wanting to climb on me. There's Boo Boo. And this squirrel's not caring. There's a bird. A bird just landed on the feeder too. He's chowing down. It's also been raining. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's wet outside. Yep. Hey, stop fighting for a spot on the cat shelf. Yep, cat TV.